Well, we wanted to make sure that we hired somebody who would take care of all of the various responsibilities from obtaining permits to doing the actual construction, um, and all in one stop. Well, they appointed a designer and contractor who worked with us, shopped with us, helped us select the items that went into the renovation. And they obtained the building's approval for the allowable renovations. Um, they hired the carpenters, the plumbers, the electricians to do the work. So under their umbrella, all of the necessary work was taken care of. Well, I think quality was most important, but uh, service and delivery were also important items. Their strongest point is their professionalism, their patience, their willingness to accommodate our needs.
I have to say that everyone that we worked with was a pleasure to work with. They were all extremely nice. They were very accommodating. We had no problems working with any of the people that they hired, or with Keith especially, and Alexandra in the office was always a delight. So that was probably the best part of it, was dealing with the people. We moved from an apartment with a galley kitchen, which was very efficient, but there just wasn't enough room. I mean, right now we can both work in the kitchen at the same time without bumping into each other. I've got as much counter space as I need to prepare food, and I have a regular size refrigerator as opposed to the tiny one that we had in our other apartment. So that, the kitchen has been the biggest boon for me.
So yes, in terms of professionalism, um, relations with the customer, um, I certainly can recommend them. I think the quality of the work was, on the whole, satisfactory. We certainly enjoy living in the apartment, which I don't think we would have done had we moved into the apartment as it was originally constituted.